Hello, it's Sunday, April 29th, 2018, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your week in review. Today we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar added 0.22% to its value, closing at $1.2288. The British pound-US dollar decreased by 0.98%, closing the week at a 1.3782 pound exchange rate. Yesterday, U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to shut down the federal government in September if Congress did not increase funding to build a security wall on its border with Mexico. According to Trump, if by September 28th there is no progress, we will have no choice. We will close down the country because we need border security. Trump made a similar threat in March to push for changes in immigration law that he said would prevent criminals from entering the country. The government briefly shut down in January over immigration. Gold rose by 0.42% as of last week's market close, closing at $1,323.40. Crude oil fell by 0.13%, closing at $68.10 a barrel. Amazon.com Inc., the world's largest online retailer, more than doubled its profit on Thursday and predicted strong spring results. Sales soared 43% to $51 billion in the quarter, beating estimates of $49.8 billion. The report drove shares up 7% to an all-time high in after-hours trade and added $8 billion to the net worth of Jeff Bezos, Amazon's chief executive and largest shareholder. The Dow Jones ended the week with a decrease of 0.05%, closing at a value of 24,311.19. The S&P 500 rose by 0.11%, closing at a value of 2,669.91. And lastly, the Nasdaq increased by 0.02%, ending the week at a value point of 7,119.80. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.